Our new glass houses haven't been open that long. Let's go and have a look. There's some beautiful things outside, including the very famous Wallamai pine, a beautiful cacti garden, because the glass houses are fairly new, everything's still developing. Let's see if we can have a peek inside. Oops. How beautiful is this? Every time I come in here, it's growing and developing. Beautiful orchid in flower there. This is the cooler side. It's all open to air, as you can see from the screen. Beautiful colours. Nice place to come and sit and read a book, inside or outside. Some really pretty things in flower. And then we'll go into the area that's the heated area for more exotic things. It's all glassed in. Beautiful in here, it feels gorgeous. It's a bit great hideaway in winter. Look how these plants have grown since they've come in here. Quite amazing. Beautiful little purple flower down here. Most of the plants have labels. I'm not stopping to tell you exactly what everything is today. It's just a bit of an overview. How lovely are these? Look at those beautiful flowers. So pretty. And that's a very brief look inside our glass houses that are developing so well. Oh, this is always a favourite spot. The carnivorous plants. They trap insects and then dissolve their bodies to create food. There's a really lovely one just here. You can't quite see inside it. And that's our glasshouse area.